how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and we got another unboxing here for everyone of another inexpensive pair of headphones. This time it's a little bit different set of headphones in bone conduction. I'm super excited. It's my first time trying out bone conduction headphones, but we're going to see what it is. But before we do that, I just want to get into some real quick housekeeping. If you guys and gals find this video helpful and or enjoyable, please remember to hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below as well, and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, this whole video is also being recorded using the rear facing camera on the Bold N1, the rear facing 16 megapixel camera on the Bold N1 in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as the overall audio quality down below in the comments as well. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. That being said, housekeeping done, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions of this really inexpensive, cool pair of bone conduction headphones. Alright, this is my unboxing and first impressions of the ApexJoy Bone Conduction headphones, or the ApexJoy V9 Bone Conduction headphones. Alright, now starting off, I already cut all the tapes and seals off camera just to make the unboxing experience a little bit faster and a little bit more struggle free. But first, let's go over this packaging. So up front, you have the model number right here, so the V9, and then we just have a company motto, born for sport, bone conduction headphones. And then we got a very faint picture of the bone conduction earphones themselves right there. Up top, we got another picture there. And honestly, y'all, I kind of like this. Real minimal, really nice subtle touches. Along the side, we got another picture of the earphones. Along this side, we got another picture of the earphones. Flipping the packaging to the back, this is where we get a large majority of our information here. So again, you see the model number, you see another picture of the earphones, and you get some product information here. So again, it's model V9, okay? It has a 180 milliamp hour battery in it. They're quoting that it should run for 5 hours. And I read online on the Amazon product page that it should have a 2-hour charge time. And in the box, we should get a pair of the headphones, the user manual, a charging cable, and one pair of interchangeable ear tips. All right? So all in all, talking about the packaging, I have to say it's really good. I like this. Minimal branding with nice presentation, and everything is laid out quite nicely. Now let's crack this box. All right. Throw this cover off to the side, and let's see what these headphones look like. So here we have the units themselves. So this is a little bit new style for me because I'm used to the headphones that either go over your ears or they have the earbuds that go in your earlobes. But these right here, they rest right in front of your earlobes, so they're not actually in your ears. I'll show y'all what they look like when we get into the fit and sound demo test, but they look pretty cool and they're surprisingly lightweight. We're gonna come back to these in a second. Let's go over what else is in the box. All right. So we got this little package here, and again it says, now this branding is a little bit hard for the camera to focus for. So again, more company branding, another model number again, and if we open this up, try not to wreck the packaging. Hold on, let me do this off camera real quick. All right, so that opens right up from the side. And we have our micro USB charging cables right there, USB-A to micro USB. And what else do we have in here? Our interchangeable ear tips. All right, so I'm gonna have to read the user manual and see how you change these out. And nothing else in the box there, so that box is empty. Put that off to the side. See if there's anything else in here. So taking out the phone insert, throw that off to the side. We do have a user manual down here. Really good stuff. We're going to take a look at this. Throw this down here for a second. Nothing else in the box. Really nice presentation. I like that. So, now let's take a closer look at the headphones, and then we'll walk through the user manual, get into my first impressions, and then we'll wrap this video up. So, looking at the headphones here, this is how they would look. And let's see, you got one here and one here. So it hooks over your ears and then it rests right in front of your earlobe. All right. Then right over here, we got some company branding, or no, this looks like a touch sensitive indicator. So we do have touch controls. Flipping it down here, we do also have button controls as well. So that looks like power on, off, reverse, next track. And then we do have the flap for the micro USB charging port. Let's see how easy this is to take off. So that came out really easy. So y'all can see micro USB charging there. And it covers up real nice. So that's cool. Now these are marketed as being awareness sports earphones, all right, or headphones. So you should be able to work out with these and still be aware of your surrounding. That's really important for me, because a lot of the workouts I do are outside on the road, and when I walk, I want to be able to hear when cars and things are coming. So with earphones, it's kind of difficult. I have to walk with one earbud in, one earbud out, so I can hear my surroundings. But hopefully with these, I could still have full awareness and still enjoy the content that I'm trying to listen to, that motivation that gets you through the workout. Also, I want to take this time to send a big shout out to the homegirls of tech, Gadget Chats. You guys are awesome. Keep up the great work. If y'all don't know Gadget Chats, they actually run a YouTube channel about tech news, and they also have a podcast as well. I'll link up their channel down below. Really awesome women over there, really knowledgeable about their tech, and definitely a channel I feel you guys and gals should check out. Go ahead and check out their channel and let them know Eric Drummond sent you. That would be awesome. But really big shout out to them. I've been listening to a lot of their content during my workouts, and it's really entertaining and really informational. So greatly appreciated. Keep up the great work, ladies. You're doing a great job. All right, just wanted to throw out that quick shout out. But these headphones actually look pretty good. And yeah, now before we go through the user manual, let me try them on real quick and get them fitted up real nice, and I'll give y'all my first impressions. Now, I do believe the battery is dead on these, so I do have to charge them up. So I can't give y'all a first impressions of the sound quality, but I just want to see how they're going to fit. Alright, so hooking them behind my ears. Okay, and then they just rest. They rest in front of my earlobes like this, so they're not actually in my ears. Let me take my phone and see if I can take a picture for y'all, so y'all can see what it look like. But y'all will get a better idea when we do the fit and sound demo. But I just want to do this real quick picture for y'all. First impressions. Alright, that will do it. Boom. So there y'all go. That's what they look like. So they don't actually go in my ears. They rest in front of my ears, and the bone conduction vibrates the sound into my ears. So first impressions, they actually fit really comfortably. Okay. And I got full range of motion, and they're actually a lot more lightweight than I was expecting. So really nice and comfortable fit. And my next thing now is just how good are they going to sound. That's the next thing we got to try out. But I'll let y'all know all that stuff in the fit and sound demo. That being said, now let's quickly run through the user manual, and then we'll wrap this video up. Okay? Now, I do go over everything y'all need to know in the full review, but I know there are some guys and gals out there that like to see the user manual out of the box. So I'm always happy to oblige, so let's get into this. So another picture of the headphones up front, flipping it open, and it looks like we do have it in a few different languages here. So this looks like Chinese or Japanese on this side. And then if we turn it over, we got English on this side. So let me get it to focus real good. So another picture of the headphones. Pairing steps right there. Alright. Got a little bit of a note right here if we can get that to focus. Having some focusing issues here. There we go. Okay. So yeah, y'all see it rests in front of your earlobe like that. That's a pretty good representation of how it's going to look. And then it has touch controls built in. Alright. And then this is some more indication for y'all. So charging and what the lights mean. Functions. We're going to go over some of these functions in the full review. And standby time and all that good stuff there. Again, feel free to pause this and read this for yourself. I hope it's sharp enough for you to read. And then on this last page, we got some maintenance and care steps here. Alright, and that's pretty much it for the user manual, y'all. So yeah, real quick unboxing, real quick first impressions, and honestly, y'all, I can't wait to get into these. Another shout out I want to send is to some gadget guy, aka Juan Bagnell. Been following his channel for a while now, and he's kind of my go-to audiophile expert when it comes to these things, because I am no professional in any way, shape, form, or fashion. I just like good audio, good crisp audio with nice deep bass. That's the kind of soundstage that I like. But big shout out to some gadget guy, aka Juan Bagnell, for, you know, making me think. I thought it was about time that I really took a deep dive into true wireless headphones and earbuds. But I also was interested in bone conduction as well. And then I saw his latest video and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna try out the bone conduction first. So I'll link his channel down below as well. Y'all definitely need to go check him out. He does some really great work. Big shout out to you, sir. Keep up the great job as well. Anyways, that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone.